Hi, I'm Ava. Welcome to Korean Ladder, where real Korean starts to feel readable.
안녕하세요. 저는 하나예요. 오늘도 같이 차근차근 올라가요.
안녕하세요. 준호입니다. Today, we read numbers you see in buildings, apartments, buses, and subway lines.
Here's my real life panic question. If I see 302, do I read it as 302 or third floor room 2 or something else?
좋은 질문이에요. 302호 is usually read with Sino-Korean numbers 302호.
And 5층 is 5층, 7번 is 7번, and 2호선 is 2호선. Same number family. Sino-Korean numbers.
So today is not counting apples. It's reading labels, floor, room, bus, subway line.
오늘의 패턴은 숫자 뒤에 층, 호, 번을 붙이는 거예요. In English, attach the label after the number. Fifth floor, room 32, bus number 7.
Why it matters? Korean often asks, 몇 층이에요? Or 몇 번이에요? You answer with the number plus the right label.
First, 창 means floor. 5층 is 5층. You do not say 5층 for a floor label.
A natural full answer is 5층이에요. It means it's the fifth floor.
Question, 몇 층이에요? In English, what floor is it? The answer keeps 층. 5층이에요.
Let me try. 몇 층이에요? 5층이에요.
좋아요. One sound note. Read the phrase as a small rhythm. 몇 층이에요?
Now, 호. 호 means a numbered room, office, apartment unit, or hotel room. 302호 is 302호.
For room numbers, Korean usually reads the whole number. 302 is 302. So 3, 5, 2호 is 302호.
So 305 all would be 305, not 305.
맞아요. Usually 305호. In special code reading situations, people may read digit by digit, but for ordinary room or apartment labels, 305호 is natural.
Question for a room or unit can be 몇 호예요? In English, what room number is it? Or what unit is it?
Not is 호예요, not 호이예요. After a vowel sound like 호, 예요 is the smooth form.
Okay, 몇 호예요? 302호예요.
Good. Now, 번. 번 means number in labels like bus number 7, question number 3, or item number.
몇 번이에요? Means what number is it? For a bus, 7번이에요 means it's the number 7 bus.
If someone asks the bus number, I can say 7번이에요.
Exactly. And for subway lines, Korean uses 호선. 2호선 is 2호선. line, 이?
호선 is a subway or train line number. So 3호선 is 3호선 and 9호선 is 9호선.
This is starting to click. Shin for floors, O for rooms, on for numbered things like buses, and 호선 for lines.
Let's hear a short real-life dialogue. Hana is finding an office, and I'm giving directions.
사무실이 몇 층이에요?
5층이에요.
몇 호예요?
501호예요.
In that dialogue, 사무실이 몇 층이에요 means what floor is the office on. 5층이에요 answers with the floor label.
And 몇 호예요 asks the room number. 501호예요 means it is room 501.
Now repeat after me. 5층이에요. It's on the 5th floor.
5층이에요.
좋아요. Now 302호예요. It's room 302.
302호예요.
완벽해요. Now 7번이에요. Number 7, like bus number 7.
7번이에요.
Common mistake time. English speakers sometimes use native Korean numbers here, like 5층 or 7번 for labels. For these labels, use Sino-Korean 5층, 7번.
So if the sign says 5층, say 5층. 5층 can mean 5 floors as an amount, but the label 5th floor is 5층.
Difference between a label and an amount. 5층 as a label is
5층,
5 floors as an amount could be
5층,
Another small boundary, 2호선, is not 2번선. Subway line numbers use 호선, 2호선.
And for a bus, 7번 is 7번. You can say 7번 버스, the number 7 bus.
quiz me. If I'm going to an office on the 5th floor, which answer sounds natural?
Answer A. 5층이에요. Use Sino-Korean 5 plus 층 for a floor label. 5층 is an amount and 5번 is number 5, not the 5th floor.
Second check. You are looking for apartment unit 302. Which answer is natural?
I think it's B,
302호예요.
because U is the unit or room label.
Correct. A may appear in some code reading situations, but for ordinary room or apartment unit 32, 302호예요 is the safest natural answer.
정리해 볼게요. 첫째, 층은 건물의 층이에요. In English, 층 marks a floor in a building. 5층, 5th floor.
둘째, 호는 방이나 세대 번호예요. In English, use 호 for a room, office, hotel room, or apartment unit. 3I, O, 2호, 302호.
셋째, 번은 번호예요. In English, 번 marks a number, like 7번 for number 7 or bus number 7.
넷째, 호선은 지하철 노선이에요. In English, use 호선 for subway or train lines. 2호선, line 2.
가장 중요한 핵심은 이거예요. Labels like 층, 호, 번, 호선 use Sino-Korean numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Keeper sentence.
302호예요.
It's room or unit 302. I can actually say that now.
다음에는 가격과 개수를 더 자연스럽게 읽어볼게요. Next time, we'll make numbers in shops feel easier.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 302호예요. 수고했어요.